Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, I have come to take online class. Today I want to take the class of 10 students. I have already taken 2 classes about tech question. Dear students, I want to teach you tech question today, part 3. Today I want to teach you a tech question about imperative sentence. Imperative sentence, if you make tech question, then you have to know or identify the imperative sentence. How will you identify the imperative sentence? Dear learners, if you see, firstly, verb 1 or don't or never or please or kindly or late or always, etc., then you mind imperative sentence. Dear students, you have already seen how you identify imperative sentence. If you see, firstly, verb 1, don't, never, please, kindly, late, always, etc. Then you will understand its imperative sentence and how we'll make tag question. If you identify the imperative sentence, then you have to use 2 rules. Rule 1, if you see let's or let us, then you will make it shall we. For example, let's discuss the matter. Shall we? If you say let's, then you make it shall we. Let's discuss the matter. Tag question will be shall we. Another example, let us play cricket. Here you can see us. After let, you can see us. Here will be shall we. Let us sing a song. Here you can see let us. You can see here us after let us. Then the tag question will be shall we. I mind that you can understand. And you can see except let us. Then you will accept. Without let us. Then will you. Without let us, for example, open the door. Here you can see first verb 1. Open the door. Here will you. Never tell a lie. Here you can see first never. So tag question will be will you. Don't make a noise. Will you. Let him take medicine. Will you. Okay, dear students, we have seen some examples here without letters. Number 1, open the door. Here, verb 1, you can see first verb 1 and its imperative sentence. So, the tag question will be will you. And number 2, never. First, you have seen never. It's also imperative sentence, and here the tag question will be will you. Number 3, don't make a noise. Here you can see first don't. So it's imperative sentence. The tag question will be will you. And then number 4, you can see let him take medicine. If you see let him, her, Rafiq, Shafiq, me, etc., then you will make the tag question will you. Number 5, please take the book. Please, if you see first please or kindly, then you might it is imperative sentence and tag question will be will you. This is how I mind that if you identify the imperative sentence and you can solve easily. That means you can make tag question easily by following two rules. If you say let's or let us, then the tag question will be shall we and the others. If you say except let us, then you will use only will you as tag question. Okay, dear students. Now I want to discuss another rules. Special rules. If you see proverb, then you will use isn't as tag question. For example, honesty is the best policy. Here isn't it might is right. Here auxiliary verb isn't and subject it. Number 3. All's well that ends well. Yeah. You can make it isn't it or doesn't it. If you see proverb, then you can make tag question using only auxiliary verb isn't and subject it. And if you see any main verb in the sentence, then you can use doesn't it, except or besides each. You can use doesn't it instead of isn't it. I'm writing another sentence like this. Number 4. An empty vessels. Empty vessel sounds much here you can isn't doesn't it. An empty vessel sounds mass. Here you can see sounds as main verb, verb 1. This is why you can use here doesn't it. And if you use isn't it, it's also correct. This is how, if you see the proverb, the sentence is proverb, then you can use isn't it or doesn't it. Now I'm showing another special rule too. If you say any wishes or wish, don't I. If you see any wishes or wish including sentences, then you will use don't I. For example, good morning. Good morning, students. You can make it don't I as good morning, students. It is a sentence which is expressing wish. This is why here auxiliary verb will be don't and subject will be I. Number 2, happy birthday to you. Here also you will use don't as auxiliary verb and subject will be I. Don't I. Okay, students, I mind that if you have understood my class clearly. If you don't understand, you will watch again and again. And I mind that you will be able to understand my class clearly. Okay, no more today. Thank you very much.